Can you recognize the leaves on the screen? Well, I will give the answer shortly after. Hello everyone, welcome to Forensic Short Stories. Today we are going to discuss about cannabis indica poisoning. The leaves we saw a little earlier are the leaves of cannabis indica. Other names of cannabis indica are Indian hemp, cannabis sativa. It is a stupefying agent, that means it stimulates the central nervous system. It is also a deliriant. The active principles of cannabis indica are contained in its resin. Resin contains cannabinol, which is active material. On heat, it is partly converted to the very active isomeric tetrahydrocannabinols, in short THC. All parts of the plant contain active material. There are 4 common preparations or forms of cannabis indica. They are bhang or siddhi or sabji, majun, ganja or marijuana, charas or hashish. Let's discuss about the preparations. Bhang is prepared from dried leaves and fruit shoots. It is the mildest and contains 15% of active principle. Fresh bhang is highly intoxicating and narcotic. Majun is a sweet prepared with bhang. It increases the appetite and sexual desire. Ganja is prepared from the flower tops of the female plants. It has a rusty green color and a characteristic odor. It is mixed and smoked with tobacco in a pipe or hookah. It contains 15 to 25% of the active principle. Charas or hashish is the resin exuding from the leaves and stems of the plants. It contains 25 to 40% of the active principle. It is mixed and smoked with tobacco in a pipe or hookah. The smoke is inhaled deeply into the lungs and retained for as long as possible for potent effects. Fatal doses of different cannabis indica. Charas 2 gram per kg body weight, ganja 8 gram per kg body weight, bhang 10 gram per kg body weight, tetrahydrocannabinols 30 mg per kg body weight. Fatal period several days. Signs and symptoms of cannabis indica appears soon after smoking and last for 1 to 2 hours, and within half an hour after swallowing and last for 2 to 3 hours. Symptoms of intoxication includes psychiatric and physical symptoms. Symptoms of chronic poisoning include hashish insanity or psychosis. Psychiatric symptoms include feelings of detachment, relaxation, well-being, euphoria, irrelevant thoughts, illusion, hallucination, feelings of precordial distress, chest tightness, impaired judgment, talkativeness. Physical symptoms includes increased appetite, thirst, giddiness, drowsiness, ataxia, tingling and numbness of skin, muscular weakness. Now come to the chronic poisoning. Chronic poisoning occurs by using of any form of cannabis indica in small quantities for long time. It reduces serum testosterone and sperm count. It causes degeneration of central nervous system and insanity. There is loss of appetite, weakness, wasting, tremors, vacant look, red eyes, impotence, moral and mental deterioration. Rarely the chronic users become insane, develop auditory and visual hallucination, delusions of persecution, manic or paranoid psychosis. This is called hashish insanity. Treatment of cannabis indica poisoning. Stomach wash or emesis with activated charcoal and cathartic. 100 ml of 15% glucose, 2 mg naloxone, 100 mg thiamine intravenously, 5 to 10 mg diazepam if the patient is violent or aggressive. Assure the patient that he will recover. If flashbacks occur, give anti-anxiety and if necessary antipsychotic drugs. and psychotherapy. In post-mortem appearance of cannabis indica poisoning, there is no specific findings, but the typical signs of asphyxia may be the characteristic findings. Medico-legal importance of cannabis indica. Most of the poisoning cases are due to overindulgence. Accidental poisoning may occur by ingestion or inhalation. Majun and charas are sometimes used as stupefying agent for criminal purposes such as highway robbery, rape, kidnapping, etc. Cannabis is used as an aphrodisiac agent and is supposed to increase the duration of coitus. It is sometimes taken by criminals before committing criminal acts to strengthen the nerve. Finally, we discussed about an important topic, running amok. After the intake of cannabis indica, firstly the person kills a number of individuals, which may be real or imaginary. Then he kills anyone who comes just in the way until the homicidal tendency lasts. Lastly, the person commits suicide or may surrender himself. That's all for today. If you like the video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.